Hello and welcome, my little honey blogs, to another unboxing of the Tiny Hug Club from Sugar and Sloth. This one is for May. I'm so excited to just get started on this one. I love Sugar and Sloth. I open their box every month that I can. So this one is May's. If you've never heard of them, go check out their stuff below. They do anxiety kind of themed stationery and pins and nice things. But I love all of the little goodies that we get each month, as all of them are so sweet and have such positive messaging. So yeah, if you like pink lifestyle and light-hearted content, feel free to subscribe below, as we'll have many more of these kinds of unboxings coming over the following weeks. So yes, very excited. I'm actually opening this the day before my birthday, so this one's a big one for me. I'm very excited. Okay, so this is the box as per usual, and I think I don't know if it had this every time on the side, but it says celebrate the small things, and I think that is definitely the vibe. That is definitely the vibe. So let's just open this up. As per usual, I've had somebody open up all of the stickers and the hard stuff, just because I'm not very good at it. So I'm going to open it up and have a little look. So let's do this. Oh my gosh, already we have a cute little sticker of a penguin in a bear outfit. And this one is Dinosaur Disco. How cute's that? Let me just... There you are. It's Dinosaur Disco. Look at that. How cute. Oh my gosh. So sweet. So we have this little piece just explaining what it is, what Sugar and Sloth do, and it does have a cheat sheet on the back. We're not going to look at that. We're not going to look at that. We're just going to open it up. Immediately I'm seeing, oh my gosh, gifties. Look at this. It's a little lanyard, and it has a little clippy at the bottom, so you can clip different stuff to it. A little lobster clip down the bottom here. How sweet. And on the actual lanyard itself, it has all of these positive little messages with all of the different dinosaurs. How cute is that? I like everything is probably under control. Probably. Or everything is mostly fine. Yeah, exactly. That's very much my view. I love this. I think I'm going to wear this, like, tomorrow. I have an outing. I think I will wear this tomorrow. Maybe pop some of our Sugar and Sloth pins onto it. How exciting. Oh my gosh. Okay, next thing in the box that I can see. Look at this. Oh my gosh. This is so cute. So these are little post-its. Yes, little post-it notes. And it says, I must not get distracted. Google this later. Okay. So it has like a little space where you can write down the things that you'd like to research or have a look at later. How exciting. This would be so good to have on your desk, because you know when your colleagues come over to you and they're like, did you hear about... And you're like, oh, you should write it down on this piece of paper, and then you can look it up later to see whether it was true. Always Google it to make sure it was true. Okay, so next we have this little package. Usually we get a enamel pin or some pin badges with these, so this may be our pin. Oh, it is. Oh my gosh, it's upside down. Oh my gosh, look how sparkly this one is. Oh my goodness. Can you guys see what that reads? Let me see. There you are. Awkward at parties. How sweet is that? I love that. That's amazing. Oh my gosh, this is definitely going on my lanyard. Definitely going on my lanyard. Look at that. Right. So let's pop that to one side. Next we have the little sticker. A little sticker says, less panic, more disco. Take on Panic at the Disco, a emo punk band. How cute. Oh my gosh. And lots of pink. I like lots of pink. So pretty. I like that the little dino is sucking from the disco ball. Like it's like a little drink in there. How cute! Oh my gosh. Ah, of course, we have our little card. So this one is George the Woodlouse. And you can see all of his little stats in there. Let me get up close so you can see. How cute is he? And that is the bag. So I have a whole binder for these, and this is actually a duplicate for me. So yeah, maybe if you guys really like this or want this one, comment below and we'll try and find a way of getting it to you if you want one. Alright, next one is the postcard. So these are the ones that you can send back to Sugar and Sloth, and then next time they will send it to someone else in their box. How sweet is that? I love this one. It says, I deserve better than my worst thoughts. I agree, little ladybird. You're adorable. Oh my goodness. Oh, yes, it's our little dino friend. So this is the calendar. So each month comes with this little calendar, and then you can color in one side, or sometimes it's colored for you. I think with the Goth Panda one, because we had a whole coloring book, this one wasn't a color in, but I love this. This is so cute. So I will be coloring this in. Don't think that I won't, because I will. Oh wow, look at these little prints. Oh, that's so pretty. So this is like a proper little print. Thick card. And it says, enough adulting, time to pick your favorite dinosaur. I love that. That's so funny. I think, which would be my favorite dinosaur? I do like Arnold a lot, but I also really like Jelly down the bottom here. Power napping extraordinaire. That is me. That is me. If you don't know, I have to sleep most of my kind of free time outside of work, so I think the power napping, that works. That works for me. Oh my gosh, look at all this stuff. Oh my gosh, so pretty. I really loved the theme for this one. The little dinosaurs are so cute. I just love them. I really love the little pad and the lanyard. I feel like we do get a little bit less when we have these bigger items, but it makes total sense to me as this is like a little bit of a higher value, if that makes sense. But I really love this lanyard. I think I will be using it. I really want to put this sticker onto my binder that contains all my little cards in them. So yes, overall, this is the whole box. It was so fun unboxing this with you, and I hope you all have a fantastic day. And if I don't see you before my birthday, well then it's happy birthday to me, I guess. But yes, thank you so much for coming along and enjoying this little box with me. I love opening these, and I'll be doing next month's one when it arrives. I hope you all have a fantastic day, and we'll see you all again next time. Bye bye.